Greetings everyone and welcome to the course. This is cs221 Linux Operating Systems Fundamentals. I'm Michael Rogers, your course instructor, and I'm excited about diving into this topic. This course introduces students to Linux operating system with a focus on hands-on learning. You'll explore Linux distributions, learn command line operations, manage file systems, and perform basic system administration tasks. This course is essential for students pursuing careers in computer science and information technology. At the end of this course, hopefully, you'll be ready to take the CompTIA Linux Plus certification exam. Let's take a look at what we are learning this week. This first week is designed to introduce you to Linux as an operating system, its history, and its role in technology landscape. The goal is to help you understand what Linux is, why it matters, and where it's used before moving into hands-on configuration and administration in later weeks. You'll be exploring the purpose of an operating system, including how operating systems manage hardware, run applications, and provide an interface between users and computers. Building on this foundation, you'll be able to outline the key features of Linux operating systems such as stability, security, flexibility, and open source development. Through Chapter 1, Introduction to Linux, and the Chapter 1 Level Up content, you'll learn about the origins of Linux, including its relationship to Unix, the GNU project, and the open source community. You'll also examine the characteristics of different Linux distributions, where they come from, and where they can be found. This includes understanding why multiple distributions exist and how they're used for different purposes. This week also highlights how Linux is used in the real world. You'll explore common industry use cases such as servers, networking, cybersecurity, development environments, embedded systems, as well as how Linux plays a critical role in cloud computing and modern infrastructure. Now, to help you engage with the course community, you'll complete a course syllabi questionnaire and participate in an introductory discussion forum. For this discussion forum, please tell us something interesting and major, future plans, goals, or dream jobs about yourself. Initial posts are due on Friday at 11:59 p.m. and replies are due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. I look forward to reading your posts. Let me give you a quick reminder, though, about our late policy. It's important that you post on time. Late post responses will not be accepted unless you contact me ahead of time with a good reason. These activities are important for setting up the expectations and establishing a collaborative learning environment. Your learning will be reinforced through a guided simulation that provides an overview of Linux concepts in a structured interactive format. This week it concludes with a chapter quiz to help assess your understanding and the fundamental ideas introduced in the opening module. You'll also have Linux project assignments. By the end of week 1, you should have a solid understanding of what Linux is, where it came from, and how it's used today, and why it's a critical operating system in both industry and the cloud. So here's my advice. Because of the amount of content to cover in the next 16 weeks, don't procrastinate. Start today with your readings, simulations, and discussion forums. Let's recap with a checklist. Complete Chapter 1 reading and Level Up readings. Post your introduction and discussion boards by Friday. Reply to a classmate by Sunday. Take the quiz and finish the simulation. Now, that's really not too bad for week 1. But let me also answer a frequently asked question in my classes, and that is how to be successful. Honestly, by simply doing the assignments, you'll get an A. If you don't do them, well, you know what could happen. Guys, you got this. I'm here for you, and I'll be checking in on you a lot. Don't give up. If you have any questions, send me a message via email or the course room. I'll make every effort to reply within 24 hours. Okay, I look forward to reading your discussion forums, and that's about it for right now. So let's have a great semester together, learning Linux and preparing for the certification exam. Cheers, everybody.